Hey guys, Brittany from Atlas again. And I want to talk to you about whether you should put ice or heat on your injury. I get this question a lot of should I use ice or heat? And first, I want to say that neither of those is going to heal your injury or your pain or get rid of it completely. Heat and ice are modalities that we use to help you feel better and maybe help the irritation or the symptoms or discomfort that you have go down, but they are just mediums for that. They don't actually solve your pain on their own. Now, that being said, there are specific types of injuries and pain that do better with ice, and there are ones that do better with heat. The difference is if your pain is being caused by inflammation in an area, such as arthritis is a good example of inflammation in the joint, then ice is going to be a better candidate for your issue because it will bring down the inflammation. Whereas if you have a muscle tension issue, or if you have like a tendonitis that's not very flared up, then actually we want to use heat because we want to bring blood into the area to help the body heal itself. So it not only depends on what is causing your pain, what the actual issue is, but it also depends on where you are in the process of treatment. If you were to sprain a ligament in your knee, like say your ACL, your MCL, at first, ice is a good thing to take down the swelling to keep it under control, but later on, when you've kind of gotten past the first few days or a couple weeks of injury, actually then using heat on the area is going to feel better because it's going to warm up the tissues to let you use them better. So it really depends on what's going on and where you're at in the process. And how do you know where you're at or what's causing it? You really need to go see your Atlas provider and have them evaluate you and tell you this is what's going on, this is where you're at, and either ice or heat is going to help you. Now, I will say that trying ice or heat and putting it on there and seeing if it makes it feel better or worse is a perfectly okay thing. It's rare that ice or heat would make anything worse or make it significantly worse than it already is. It may just not feel better at all. So if you try one and it doesn't feel good, then you don't need to keep trying it. It's probably not going to help you a lot. Okay, I hope that helps you out, and I will see you next time.